Meaning of hardship.
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 Hardship. The term hardship refers to a state of difficulty, suffering, or adversity that one experiences. It can include physical, emotional, or financial struggles that challenge an individual's ability to cope. Such hardships can arise due to various reasons such as illness, loss of income, or personal setbacks. Enduring hardship can be a daunting task, and it can take a considerable toll on a person's well-being. However, overcoming these struggles can often lead to personal growth and resilience, developing one's character, and providing a sense of accomplishment and strength in the face of adversity.